Good day to everyone. So I'm Shinji Soizan. So today we are here to present our final semester group project titled the Air Pollution Monitoring System. So our team consists of 3 members, which are Wan Ziqing, our group leader, Tan Kang Sen, and me myself. So throughout this presentation, we will take you through the motivation behind our system, the problem we are addressing, our proposed solution, design details, and how our website works. So now let's move on to the introduction. So our website as a comprehensive platform offering up-to-date AQI's data for cities around Malaysia with growing environmental concerns and increasing health hazards caused by poor air quality. We felt the need to build a system that not only delivers data but also serves as an educational tool. So by allowing users to select their city of interest, they can instantly access AQI values and associated health risk categories. So this platform bridges the information gap and helps people take preventive measures when pollution levels are harmful. Next, we'll move on to the problem statement. So, air pollution poses a threat to human health, especially for children, the elderly, and individuals with respiratory issues. However, many people remain unaware of current air quality levels due to lack of user-friendly access to data. Although the government websites may provide the information, the format is often not optimized for easy understanding on mobile access. So our platform addresses these gaps by offering a clear and intuitive user interface that provides actionable insights. Now for the objective of the project. So the core objective of our project is to create a platform that combines real-time data with learning resources. So we aim to make users more conscious of the environmental conditions surrounding them. So features like interactive maps, color-coded AQI levels, and simple layouts ensure that users from various backgrounds can use the system effectively. Ultimately, our goal is to influence healthier choices and greater public understanding. Now we'll move on to the problem scope. The scope of our project includes displaying current AQI levels as well as offering context and explanations about what the number means with real-time data collection from Malaysian cities. So we cover major pollutants, explaining their sources and dangers. To make the platform more than just a display tool, we added learning materials that highlight what steps can be taken to protect oneself or reduce one's environmental impact. So future expansions can also incorporate historical data and regional comparisons. Next, we'll talk about the detailed description. So the system allows users to interactively choose a location and immediately see updated statistics. We use color codes to signify the health risk level. Green for good, yellow for moderate, and red for unhealthy. Apart from this, we have content-rich sections that educate users on the science behind air pollution and practical action they can take, such as using public transport or wearing masks on high AQI days. Lastly, I'll talk about the system design. So the site is currently built as a static website using front-end technologies. However, we are planning to integrate API-based AQI data in the future to allow dynamic updates. So JavaScript handles form validation and displaying the current time and date. So all the content is accessible across devices, and the site can be hosted on platforms like GitHub, Pages, or Firebase. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. My name is Tan Kang Shen from lecture section WT1. I'm going to talk about the Juice interface design for air pollution monitoring system. We have put navigation menu with sections like home, about AQI, causes map, table, and contact. AQI table listing major cities with color-coded statuses. They did with live AQI. So this is the solutions to air pollution. We can planting trees, reducing industrial emissions, promoting public transport, using renewable energy, improving waste management, and spreading awareness. So this is the example of AQI data. We have put a table with AQI values for 20 Malaysian cities. We have put the status indicators such as good, moderate, and unhealthy. We also have data sourced from IQA written at a specific time. So this is the source code overview lah. We have put HTML and CSS for structure and styling. We also have JavaScript function for date display and form validation, and an external function for API map. So this is an example of the code that we made. Now will be the future enhancements. We have the dynamic API data integration, backend for user submissions and feedback, AQI data trends and charts, and mobile application expansion. So this is the conclusion. Air pollution is a growing concern that affects everyone. Our platforms help people understand AQI data, combine awareness, education, and real-time information. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you, sir.
Hi everyone, I'm Wan Ziqing and now I'm going to demo our website. Our project title is Air Pollution Monitoring System. I do the coding using Visual Studio Code. So this is CSS source file and this is HTML source file. Below this source file is the image and the video of the website. I will show the demo using Visual Studio Code and Google Chrome. So now let's see the coding in Visual Studio Code. This is the coding of HTML. It contains all the information of air pollution. This is CSS coding. It contains all the design of the website. So now let's continue with Google Chrome. This is the first page of our website. At the first, it shows the title of our project, Air Pollution. Below the title, it's last updated by June 30 and the time. So if I add any information, it will automatically update and show the last updated to make sure we get the newest information. Let's scroll down. To separate two pages, I add a divider between them so it looks tidy. For second page, the title is What is Air Pollution? Below the title is a definition of air pollution and the other information of air pollution. Let's scroll down. The third page is Causes of Air Pollution. For the information of causes, I show all of them in card. When you hover your mouse on it, it will come out the definition. Let's continue. For the fourth page is air pollution check. It shows the live air quality index in whole. The information of air pollution check is from IQ Air website. On the left-hand side, it shows word AQI ranking. This is AQI ranking from whole world. On the right-hand side, show a map. For this map, we can zoom in and zoom out with scrolling our mouse. Below this, have a link. If you need further information, you can click it and it will link to IQ Air website. You can get more detailed information from here. Let's continue. The solution for air pollution. For here, it's same as the causes of air pollution. Cut grid and the pop-up definition. Let's continue. Here is the form for help. You need to input your first name, last name, and email for contact us. If you didn't fill in anything and press contact us, it will show the pop-out information to ask you fill in this field. So, this is all from us. Thank you.